Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable session timeouts in Auth0 sandbox for faster UI testing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable session timeouts in Auth0 sandbox, start by logging into your Auth0 account. Navigate to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, select the Applications section from the menu on the left. Choose the application you want to modify. In the Application Settings, scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Click on the OAuth tab. Here, look for the Session Lifetime field. Adjust the session timeout value to a longer duration, or set it to 0 for no timeout. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to the Tenant Settings in the left-hand menu. Locate the Session Expiration settings. You can adjust the session expiration settings here as well. Modify any relevant fields to extend session lifetimes. After making your adjustments, be sure to save these changes. Now you can go back to your application. Perform a few test logins to confirm that the session timeouts are disabled. Check the UI to ensure that it remains active without automatic logouts. This configuration will allow for faster UI testing without interruptions. If you encounter any issues, review your settings to ensure everything is applied correctly. With these adjustments, you're all set for uninterrupted testing in the Auth0 sandbox environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.